Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President Florida Suncoast. Here we are. It's the last day of the year, 2024. And tomorrow we start a whole new year. Been reflecting on, people and places and things that we've done and accomplished. And one of the things you get to this time of the year, you hear that song, Old Lang Syne. And for sometimes that's a great song to sing. But for me, it's a little bit melancholy every once in a while. So I looked up the lyrics, and one of the things that I recognized was there's a line in there: "We'll raise a cup of kindness," and I just wanted to do that. Just mention that there's a ton of people that I get a chance to come across and meet, create relationships, really close relationships, a lot of them. So it's my privilege to raise a cup of good cheer to all the friends that have met, that mean so much to Kim and I, and to our chapter. I appreciate your kindness. I appreciate those relationships and the things we get to enjoy talking about, seeing, and doing. And I also raise a cup of cheer and kindness to those folks that have moved away, maybe still watch this, and or folks that we've lost, and just reflect on that as well. So to you and your family, it's a Happy New Year. I look forward to the 2025. We march on, and hopefully a little stronger, and doing some really cool things, neat things. We have some changes planned for 2025 in our event scheduling and what we're going to do and how we're going to do it. And even on this address, I think the format's going to change this coming year, so I won't be standing in my front yard as much anymore. So there you go. Let me tell you about one event. We've already got it out posted. We're really excited about it. The annual Get Out of Town dinner is going to be January 25th. For a lot of you that've been around for a while, we were at Bascom's Chop House up off of Almerton Road, St. Pete, Clearwater area, I don't know, 7, 8, 10 years ago, a couple of years in a row, and we're going back there. The food is absolutely amazing. The menu is amazing. We've already signed the deal, the contract with them. And we're going to go to Bascom's Chop House for our annual dinner on the 25th. It's already out on our website. You need to get there. It's the first 100 to sign up. That includes member and guest. The first 100 people to sign up are going to get in. That's our capacity. As a bonus, they're going to have music there that we didn't anticipate. So we get some free music, maybe a little bit of dancing or whatever. But to head up that week or head up that day, next door at the Holiday Inn, at the ballroom in the Holiday Inn, we have the simulator racing that's going to pop in there. We're going to be there from 3 till 6 o'clock, and that's going to be a lot of fun. And we'll see who comes out on top, and who knows, we might be giving away a couple of really cool trophies and the like for those folks that are pretty good at the simulator. Not me, but there's a lot of good people for the simulator. We'll have some fun, we'll have some laughs. Hope you can join us. Get your RSVP in early. Here's how we do it. You pay for one meal and the chapter pays for the other. So for a second. So that's sort of how it works out. It's sort of a 50-50 arrangement. And I think it'll be well worth the time. We've always enjoyed it there. So invite you to get signed up early, because once we hit the 100 mark, that's all we can do. Until then, I'll wish you, Kim and I, and the whole chapter, wish everybody a Happy New Year and health and wealth as we go into the new year. Very optimistic. So until then, as we always say, happy motoring. See ya. Bye.